Harley.
Okay, now walk. What you want to do is you want to walk like a leader, right? Okay, so here you're going to do your right about. Good. And you're going to walk right this way. Good. Keep walking. Good. Keep your eyes on him. If you see his eyes, your right about. Good. And another right about. Good. Stop. And what's happening is you're being a little bit too passive.
Okay.
Harley, good boy. Very good. So for right now, you want to be a little bit more animated.
Okay.
Here, Harley. Harley, come on. Yeah, come on. Oh my goodness. Harley, Harley. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Good. You're right about. Now here, see, what I want is two bodies moving now. Good. Keep moving. Good. Stop. Okay, good there, Fraser. Good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy. That's enough. Do that. All right. Okay. Go ahead and pass it up behind your back. Perfect. Let's go right about. Where's your right? Good. That's the way.
Sorry.
Good, that's the way, perfect. Excellent. Now, keep your eyes on your dog. And as you're walking, you can use your left hand to reach down and touch him. It's a good boy. Good. And right about. That's the way, good boy, good boy. Good boy.
Harley.
Harley's he's a big physical dog. He's almost like, I don't want to say like a bully, but he's so comfortable with his physicality of kind of pushing you around a little bit.
Yeah.
So don't be afraid to kind of push him around a little bit.
Okay.
This is a natural way. That's what he's doing to you. Do it right about. Good. Stop. Good.
Good boy.
Good.
Good boy.
So pull in a little bit because you feel like you want it to be shorter, and that's probably right for you.
Gotcha. Okay, so like
Good.
here?
Uh-huh. Perfect. Good.
Okay.
So if I need to, like if he's really just focused on that, I'll give it a little tug, just like that. But it's two hands together, just like that.
Okay.
Good. Right. Excellent. Okay. Harley.
Harley.
Good. A little bit more slack. Just a tiny bit of happening. Good. You might want to practice, tomorrow when you come out with sneakers. It might help you a little bit with your launch. That's it. That's it. Good. Stop. Good. Prison. Good boy. Good. Nice.